Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can easily change your email address on CoinStats account. If you are looking for a way to update or change your email that you've registered with on CoinStats, then the process is quite simple. So let's dive in right into the video. Launch or open a web browser to get started and go to the URL box and type in coinstats.app and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your CoinStats account by entering the account's credentials. After signing into the account, go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top right hand corner, and in the pop-up, click on your username. Now, from the Personal Data tab, scroll down and find your email address. Go ahead and erase your current email address and type in a new one you'd like to use. After you are done entering the new email, click on Save and you'll be able to change your email address. Now you'll need to simply go ahead and open up a new tab and log into this particular email inbox and open up the email verification from CoinStats. Now, click on Verify Email in order to verify your new email address. And that was how you can easily change your email on CoinStats account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.